Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 8 latest defense updates. Number 1, DRDO's Project Veda gains momentum. The DRDO is making significant progress on Project Veda, a new satellite launch vehicle SLV designed specially for the Indian Armed Forces. According to DRDO has begun procuring equipment and recruiting engineers and crew for the program, including an expedited timeline. Project Veda, also known as Vehicle for Defense Application, aims to provide the Indian Armed Forces with an independent and responsive launch capabilities for their defense satellites. This dedicated SLV is a 3-stage solid propellant rocket designed to carry payloads weighing up to 2000 kilograms into low Earth orbit at an altitude of approximately 200 kilometers. Next, NG Infantry Combat Vehicle. Bharat Forge Limited, a leading Indian multinational company, has announced its participation in the development of India's next generation infantry combat vehicles, the futuristic infantry combat vehicle. This news comes after the DAC, that is Defence Acquisition Council, led by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, greenlit the FICV program in 2023. Next, stealth drones with advanced anti-drone system trials. India's private defense company Zen Technologies has commenced trials of a new iteration of its anti-drone system specifically designed to counter stealth drones. Traditional drones can be challenging to detect due to their size, but stealth drones pose an even greater threat due to their low observability design, making them difficult to track on radar. Zen Technologies' new system claims to address this challenge by employing a multi-layer sensor architecture. Next, advanced engine contract for DRDO. Azad Engineering Limited, a leader in precision engineering and manufacturing based in Hyderabad, has secured a significant contract from the Gas Turbine Research Establishment, a prominent organization under India's DRDO. This prestigious contract tasks Azad with the complete manufacturing and assembly of an advanced gas turbine engine specifically designed for defense applications. Next, Indian firm unveils new Sabal series UAVs for military logistic. Indian defense technology company Endure Air Systems has unveiled its latest innovation, the Sabal series of unmanned aerial vehicles. These small electrically powered drones are designed specifically for military logistic operations, offering a versatile solution for cargo delivery and battlefield observation. The Sabal series comprises 2 models, Sabal 10 and Sabal 20. Both boast a low audio and visual signatures, making them difficult to detect by enemies. This enhances mission success rates and troops' safety. Next, night operations with successful NVG landing. The Indian Air Force has achieved a significant milestone with the successful landing of a C-130J aircraft using night vision goggles at an advanced landing ground in the eastern sector. This accomplishment, announced on the IAF social media platform, highlights the force's dedication to expanding its capabilities and strengthening national defense. The C-130J, known for its versatility and advanced technology, played a key role in the operation. The use of NVGs during the landing demonstrates the IAF's commitment to improve its ability to conduct missions effectively in low light conditions. Next. Sagar Defence unveils Bali USV, a high-speed option for the maritime operations. Sagar Defence Engineer has taken the wraps off its latest innovation, the Bali USV, that is Unmanned Surface Vehicle. This USV boasts impressive capabilities, making it a strong contender in the maritime domain. The Bali USV is designed for speed reaching over 25 knots and offering an operational endurance of 8 to 10 hours. This combination allows for swift response and extended mission at sea. The USV is equipped with a radar system providing operators with real-time information and its surrounding. Next. F-16 were better of the three. JF-17 most inferior, LCA Tejas too much. Argentina's Air Force recently opted for a fleet of used F-16 fighter jets from Denmark, surpassing offers from India's LCA Tejas and China's JF-17. Local media reports shed light on the decision-making process. One key factor influencing Argentina's decision was the Tejas' use of British components. The report suggested concerns about potential delays in obtaining replacement for these parts, leading to extended periods where the aircraft might be grounded. Thank you.